Alright, hopefully this comes out right. I've been trying to record the same video for 3 days now. Alright everybody, what's up? My name is Alan Thomas, and I'm encouraging everybody to create your artwork your own way. And what I'm talking about today is using different tools to try and create your artwork, or whether or not you need a whole bunch of them or not. I saw something online where people were having a conversation about what type of tablet to use, which ones were good and which ones aren't. And somebody had made a reference to a comment that they got good results using their old beat up tablet, but they were thinking about getting an upgrade, like getting whatever new tablet. I don't even know what's out there, to be honest, right now at the moment, these new touchscreen tablets and everything that people draw on. But my first instinct was, I keep drawing on the tablet that I got until it stopped working. That's my philosophy with the tablet that I got now. I remember when I was in college, I could only afford, it was like a $20 beat up Viz tablet, and I had that for about 2 or 3 years that I managed to have that one before it finally just shut off. Well, I don't know what happened. I plug it in, the light wouldn't come on and nothing would happen, which it was $20, so you get what you pay for, I guess. It worked. I mean, for me to just need a drawing tablet, it got the job done. The point that I'm trying to make here is, whatever is working for you, roll with that until it absolutely isn't working anymore, or you can't stand using it anymore. Certain stuff, after a while, you're gonna get sick of the problems that any type of cheap material or something is gonna have. Then you should probably upgrade. But if what you're using is outdated or anything, but it's giving you results, use it till it stops working. Like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? Like, there's no reason for you to try to reinvent the wheel or try to do something crazy or use any type of crazy tools or anything like that, if what you're doing is working for you. Like, don't change for no reason. Like, change when necessary. And the same thing goes for like programs too. Like, if you're getting good results in like MS Paint and you have absolutely no idea how to use Photoshop, it's good to learn like new programs and stuff like that. But if what you have is working, just keep rolling with it. Like, don't stop. Unless, like I said, you're getting to a point where you're frustrated with what you're using, then yeah, look for other stuff, look for different tools or whatever to use. But until that day comes, keep rolling with the materials that you have. There's nothing wrong with it. I was drawing with like, oh my God, I think I had Photoshop Elements, not even any of the big brand Photoshop programs. I had Photoshop Elements in a $20 Viz tablet, and I was still creating art. I'm not gonna say it was decent, because it wasn't like I was extremely better once I got my Wacom tablet, but you know, it works. So whatever you're using, if you enjoy what you're using and it works for you, just stick with it. But it's just my advice. Like I said, you create the art that you want to create your way. So I'm out.